Students of class 10, in this new session we should understand about physics and chemistry. In class 10 today we will discuss the subject matter of subject physics, class 10 physics. For this session, you know that in 2022 you have to appear in your board examination, and the syllabus of physics today we are going to discuss, and then the topic concern also. In physics, coming months we will focus on optics, means light. Maybe what is light, and more about phenomena of light, reflection, refraction, dispersion, scattering, and lens, mirror, numericals, and all this we are going to discuss in our topic. Something you might have learned in class 8 also, all these ideas, but in detail we have to learn many things in this class 10 physics syllabus. In chemistry also, the first chapter chemical reactions, second chapter acid base salt, third metals, non-metals, and fourth carbon compounds, and then periodic table, whatever. That is the syllabus of chemistry. In physics, in the second term, we will go through electricity, magnetic effect of current, all this. Let us go through this light. What is light actually? Light is a form of energy. Light is a form of energy, and which is propagated in the vacuum also. And produces sensation of vision. Light has dual nature. Light has got dual nature. Dual nature means it behaves like a wave as well as particle. Wave as well as particle. Some of the phenomena of the light that we have to study in detail is actually reflection of light, second, refraction of light, third, dispersion of light. Fourth, scattering of light. Fifth, interference. Diffraction. Polarization. So what are all these ideas? What is reflection of light? Actually, reflection is bouncing back of light. That we have to go in detail. What is refraction? It is bending of light due to change in speed when light travels from one medium to another medium. Dispersion, when light enters any prism, it is splitted into 7 of its constituent colors. That is known as dispersion. Why? What is the cause of dispersion? Because different color of light travels with different speed, and hence there is splitting of light, and that is known as dispersion. Dispersion of light produces many effects like rainbow formation, and then it comes a scattering of light. You know, scattering of light, very interesting one also. Let us go some little bit detail. The scattering of light. You know, when sunlight enters, when it is observed by gaseous atoms, and again it is emitted in all directions. This absorption and re-emitting of light energy is known as scattering of light. Scattering of light gives many of the phenomena. Application of a scattering phenomenon. We can explain the color of sky why it is blue. On the basis of scattering of light. violet and blue scatters list. Violet and blue scatters most. And red color scatters least. Actually, intensity of scattered light is inversely proportional to full power of the wavelength of the light. That is this is called Rayleigh's scattering law. So, violet and blue scatters most. And hence sky is blue. But red signal, the red color scatters least, having largest wavelength. Hence, danger signals are red. Hence, danger signals are red. So these are some of the applications of sketching of light. Atmosphere on the moon surface is black, or for astronauts color of the sky is black. Because in the absence of atmosphere, there is no scattering. hence sky appears dark. So actually these are some of the phenomena that we have to study in higher classes. Polarization is actually related to decreasing the intensity of light. So polarization is a phenomenon associated in decreasing the intensity of sunlight or any light so that for different purpose it could be used. Generally we wear goggles. What the purpose of goggles? Goggles are used to decrease the intensity of light. In a maybe summer days light is quite intense, so it is very difficult to concentrate when we are on the traffic. So for that matter goggles helps by decreasing the intensity of light. Diffraction also very similar phenomenon as interference. Both are helpful in making picture inside the television tube. You know, in the television, the color pictures or black and white pictures, whatever, in the cathode ray tube, actually the principle behind the color formation, the image formation is by interference and diffraction of light. So interference is actually also redistribution of light energy when there is superposition of two light waves. So that is interference. Interference is the phenomenon of redistribution of light energy when there is superposition of two light waves. So these are some of the applications. Interference gives the idea of maybe the picture tube, television pictures, the color formation, whatever. We will mainly concern these days reflection of light. In this reflection of light, we will go through laws of reflection, image formation, nature of image, nature of image with the help of ray diagram. So image formation, nature of image with the sign convention, numerical problems, and some formulas associated with reflection of light in solving numerical problem like mirror formula, magnification formula, f is equal to r by 2. All are from a spherical mirror. Okay students, for today we are keeping it.